That's it for the index funds that I wanted to show you in this video. Of course, you could do further research on them using the Fidelity website, and I would encourage you to talk to your financial advisor about what is a good fit for your portfolio. But the last thing I want to cover here is that ETF that I mentioned earlier, and this is a brand new investment from Fidelity, the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund. So instead of buying the index fund through the Fidelity platform, you can buy this as an ETF through any brokerage firm, and this gives you exposure to Bitcoin through an ETF. The expense ratio comes in here at 0.25%. However, there is some type of expense waiver. It looks like starting in 2024, August 2024, they're going to start charging a 0.25% expense ratio. But if you wanted to take advantage of that early, right now there is no expense ratio since it's a brand new fund. If we jump over here to the composition tab and scroll down, we can see that this is a 100% allocation into Bitcoin. So if, for example, you were looking to invest in Bitcoin, but maybe you weren't a fan of the traditional routes of crypto exchanges or cold wallets, this would be available through your current brokerage firm. And the benefit to this would give you that pass-through SIPC protection on your Bitcoin, which you wouldn't ordinarily have when you invest through something like a wallet.